Hey everybody, I'm going to give you 3 quick tips to make sure that these Swiftly garage door opener sensors work optimally. But first I want to say these sensors are easy to install, they're easy to align, the lights on them are nice and bright so you can really make sure that they're working, and are just a great way to save money on the replacement. Now the first tip may seem obvious, but it's just to make sure that they are securely lined up. So your yellow light is your sending light and your green light is your receiving light. So if it's not receiving, that green light will go off. So just make sure you get that green light lined up and then secure your sensors firmly from there. The next tip is to make sure that your sensor lenses are clean. This may seem obvious as they can't transmit or receive if they're dirty, but having dust on the lenses will also make them more susceptible to being interfered with sunlight. And the last tip is to protect them from direct sunlight. So depending on the situation of your garage, it might not be an issue, but you can use some kind of cardboard or something like that that you set above the sensor to make sure that it's not getting interfered with sunlight. If you want to get these sensors, there's a link in the description.